The standard person or reference person is a theoretical individual that has perfectly normal characteristics. This model is used for much research into radiation safety. For many years, the standard person was called reference man because the work assumed a healthy, young adult male. In recent years, reference woman and reference child models have been created, along with variations on body size, age, sex, and race. In the future, the model may be expanded to include selected plants and animals. Eventually, for medical purposes, the concept may be replaced by effective attention to measuring the exposure of individual patients to radiation. Reference man is defined as being between 20 to 30 years of age, weighing 70 kilograms, is 180 centimeters in height, and lives in a climate with an average temperature of from 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. He is a Caucasian and is a Western European or North American in habitat and custom. Thank you for watching.